Hello everyone, welcome back to Codecrafters Lab. So today we are going to see the next problem, that is valid anagram. Here given two strings s and t, and we have to return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. Okay, so what is anagram? Anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Okay, so in simple terms, s is a string, okay, and t is a string. So what we need to find whether we can rearrange the letters in t so that we can form s again or not, and we have to arrange letters in a way that like original letters we are using only once. Okay, so here anagram and nagaram. Okay, so we are returning true. Why? Because we can rearrange it to anagram. Now dog and cat, s is dog and t is cat, so we can't arrange, or basically there is a difference, right? Here there is a d, and you can't find the first letter also in the string t, so that's why we can't even form dog. So that's why we are returning false. So now here also you can see it and t. So can we form it using t? Yes, ea, and if we shift t to the end, then we can form like it, right? So we can say output as true, right? So let's get back to the ipad. So here we will try to understand same example. So here it is it and t, right? So basically what we need to find out is like whether we can form as string using t. So the simple thing, like a brute force, we can see first brute force approach. So what we will do here, you will try to, like, normally when we are thinking about this problem, okay, I give you these two strings and I ask you whether they are anagram or not. So what we try to do in our mind generally, so what we try to do is nothing but, like, we try to rearrange those elements in such a way that can we form it or not. So that way we do, right? So there is one more way. You can do it for like simple string, but let's say I gave you some string which has maybe thousands characters. You can't do it again and again, right? So that's why, like, the simple way to do it is like you can sort this string. Okay, we can sort both the strings. So let's say if I sort this, a will come first, then e will come, and then t. If I sort this particular string t, a will come first, then e, and then t. So basically, and after sorting, you can compare, right? This way we can definitely get our answer true or false. If comparison gives you true, that means string is valid anagram. Otherwise it is not valid anagram, right? It is a invalid. So this is like a brute force approach, but let's say we try to write a like a algorithm for this. So you can get a boolean function valid anagram. Okay, then we will pass s and t, right? And then what we'll do is, like, we'll sort s, we will sort t, and after that compare s comma t, and based on that return, right? On comparison, if it gives you true, then string is anagram, otherwise false, right? So let's say, like, what is the time complexity for this, right? So what is the time complexity? Basically what we are doing, we are sorting second string, and then we are comparing, right? So for sort, let's say my string length for s is n, so n log n plus string length for my t string is maybe m, then m log m, right? So this will be my time complexity, and space complexity will be O of 1, because we are not storing anything as such, right? So let's try to code this particular problem. So here what we'll do is like we are given with the strings, right? So first thing, like there is one test case, or maybe you can say like let's say we can identify like whether these strings like anagram or not. Before that we should identify whether both the strings have same length or not, otherwise it will fail in one of the test case. So what we'll do, s dot length, okay, s dot length not equal to my t dot length. In that case definitely it's not an anagram, right? Because length is different, that means you can achieve it, right? Return false in this case. Now what we'll do is like we have to basically compare, right? We have to sort and then compare those like strings. So it is better to convert them into array, because you can directly then apply sort and you can apply compare as well, right? So char s array equal to char s array equal to s dot to char array. So what it will do, it will convert my string s into array. Okay, then same thing for t array. Array equal to t dot to char array. Okay, so we got our arrays, right? Then what we need to do is like arrays dot sort. So this way you can directly sort as array and arrays dot sort t array. So we have sorted both the array. Now arrays dot equals s dot array s array, sorry, and t array, and we will return this comparison directly. Return arrays dot equal. I guess it should work. Yes, we have successfully like ran our program as well. So basically it is very simple brute force approach. We will see the next in next lecture the optimal approach as well. So here it is basically what we are doing is like just converting our strings into like char arrays. That is like easiest way, and then you can directly apply the inbuilt functions of arrays sort, and then again you can compare both the arrays using equals function. So yeah, thank you for watching.